Hello everybody, and today I have for you this flashlight. This flashlight, it is probably 20 to 15 years old. It is UltraFire with fake Cree XML-T6 LED diode inside. And I have two problems with it. First problem is, let me just open it up here. So, first problem, as you may see, it is that the PCB, it just popped out. Second problem is that spring, which you can see inside here, that spring gives me a problem. Basically, I stretch it, and for a while it holds the two of those batteries inside nicely, but after a while, more and more, it is sensitive, and with a little bit twitch, it loses contact just for a moment. So today I will just try to fix it by adding this metal plate. I will bend it and solder it on the PCB and hold the spring a little bit higher, and hopefully it will be enough. So without further ado, let's just start the video, shall we? So now, first of all, I need to disassemble this part. So these two things I do not need for now. To disassemble, I do not have the correct tools for it, so I will disassemble it just with my hands. How to do this? It is pretty easy. First, let's take off this lens on the top, unscrew it. Then pull out this element all the way to the end. And while pressing out, hold with one finger inside and just start turning this bottom part. And just unscrew it until this part is unscrewed. And as you see, it is wobbly. No! Then just pull this, I don't know what, let's pull this element out, and that is the shell. So very first thing is to position this element firm inside its socket, inside here, without popping it out. I will use this old wick. I hope it will hold. That is the part that I do not need from this one. I will just put it inside to the side. If you see it a little bit more, you see that it is groove. I will put it in, press this PCB inside, and it will be firm inside. So let's try. And it is holding. That's great. Now let's just take off the extra. Now, first part is on. Now let's go to the second part. I need to shape this piece of the metal. At least I think that I'm doing the right way. And I will put it inside. But the sides I will bend down, so it will hold the string up. So here, as you see, there is the line, and I will use that line for the height of this, just like this. Now the second part, adjust it to the line, press it, and bend it. So now let's see. This element, it is just enough. Now I will pull this spring out a little bit, so I can just push it in this element, just like this. And now I can just solder the spring to this metal thing and to the base. So now I will just use soldering iron, soldering wire, and soldering paste. I currently forgot how it is correctly called. So now I will just take the screwdriver, doesn't matter which one, just take it a little bit and put it in. So here I have a little bit on outside to solder, and I will solder it into the inside, so this is firm on its place. And then also I will solder the string on this metal thing. So now let's solder inside and then the spring to this element. Okay. Now let's just solder this spring on its place. Spring is a little bit to the side. Let's bend it to the, let's be on the middle. So that's it. It is firm inside. It is working. Now it's just time to test it. I will just put it back inside. So this part goes up, and while holding with one finger on it, press it down and just turn until it is all the way to the end. And now just push both these parts to the side while pressing on this and screw it in until it is fixed inside, not wobbly. Now let's just put it back together. Lens. Now this part. Now I will just take off this last part, behind part, put in one battery, put in the second. Minus or negative side is up, positive side is down. And let's see. And it works. So now that is it. Now if you have any questions, type it below in this video in the comment section. If you want to get notified about new videos, subscribe and press bell icon. And if you like it, thumbs up, press. If you did not, thumbs down, and share with others so others can learn too. So until next time, Have a blast, people. Bye bye.